Look at that, 120 plus 20% off, under 100 bucks. That's kind of a steal. Not a crazy steal. Oh, this is a steal right here, you guys. Anybody with big feet. Look at that, 75. That's another 15 off. That's 60 bucks. Holy shit, that's 60 bucks, you guys. Kobe 10s? I got Kobe 10s for you big feet people? What's going on, YouTube viewers? It is your boy Cool with Cool Cakes. Yeah, we are checking out another Nike outlets. I'm at the Nike outlet near Bakersfield. It's called Outlets At Tejon. Yeah, so we're gonna check out this Nike outlet. A separate video, there'll probably be Adidas outlet as well as Puma, Converse. But yeah, let's go see what they got here, you guys. Let's go see what they got here. All right, let's hope they got some steals, you guys. Trying to get some steals. Hopefully we can steal something, get some, sell it on eBay or something. Got the Kobe's on today, Kobe ABs. It's like 20% off the hash white, guys. Let's go find something. Wish me luck. With the size 10s, so with the size 10s. What's these going for? Tell me they go for it. Oh, 120, look at that. Look at that, 120 plus 20% off, under 100 bucks. Under $100, not bad, guys. Got some Jordan 1 breads, bread cleats. I don't understand how the cleats are always so cheap. That kind of shows you it's not necessarily about the tech and about it's just about whatever they want to charge. Like what they can charge. Too. But yeah, 125, that's the MSRP on those. Or the new ones at, what, 160? They're gonna be, what, 170 next year? So these are kind of new to the clearance section. I haven't seen too many of these. Nice. Air Max 97. Sick. Pretty cool colorway. Pretty cool colorway, you guys. That was a disaster. Pegasus 35s, 85 bucks. But these aren't the newest ones. They do have the Pegasus 36s out now. So yeah. There's a fly trap. Fly traps are the original fly traps. 55, not bad. 20% off. Not bad. Why are these still so high, man? Damn, 129 plus 20% off, but still over 100 bucks. Damn. Damn, we passed by the 10 and a halves because they didn't have nothing. We're in the size 11. With the Vomeros, 90 bucks. 90 bucks. Size 11 and a half. What's the what colorway is this? I don't recognize this colorway. White metallic gold? Is this the trainer lows or something? No, I don't recognize this. These are definitely not the trainers. Never seen this colorway. Yeah, so let's go for retail, $160. $160, you did get that 20% off. Got the Tinker 3s. These have finally been going on sale. They're trying to get them for retail. Man, I don't understand this place, man. They used to have all the deals. Lately, they've been terrible lately. What's up with that? Tech trainers, 60 bucks, 20% off. They got the Super Bras. They're still trying to get 200 for these? What? These are sold out a long time ago. When they weren't sold out, they released a bunch, and then how are they still trying to get 200, man? That's crazy. That's kind of a steal. Not a crazy steal. 90 bucks, that means that's one more pair. There's actually two of those. Size 14 though, bigger sizes. Dang, they actually got 3 or 4, look. Have a bunch of those. Oh, this is a steal right here, you guys. Anybody with big feet. Look at that, 75, that's another 15 off. That's 60 bucks. Holy shit, that's 60 bucks, you guys. For you big footers. I know it's hard for you people with big feet to get fine shoes, man. Look, they got deals. This is heaven for big shoe lovers today. Look at this. That is crazy. Kobe 10s? I got Kobe 10s for you big feet people? Dang, dude, that's crazy. And they're cheap. Dang. Dang, that's crazy, guys. Dang, finally see these 720s for under 100. They've been trying to get them for 139 and 109 for the longest. Get that 20% off. So finally it's under 100. Seen these a couple times. Like, what the hell? Air Force One boots? Like, really? What's the point of the boots? Oh, I'm not even gonna check how much because that's gonna fall apart. So we're good. We'll leave that there. The Proto Max 720. That's an interesting colorway. Really? That's an interesting colorway. Crimson tint. That looks like a peach color to me. Yeah, it's dead, you guys. The clearance section is dead. So yeah, let's go check out the other stuff. All right, so we've been seeing these at the outlet quite a lot lately. I went from what 10.5 to 14s right here. 130 now. Jordan 4, nostalgious. Laney 5 going for 120 now. Suede's actually not super soft, but this one's like totally worn out. But yeah, but it's not bad. I got these at home. Got them for 100. These seem to be the new outlet price for these. 135. Been seeing these for 135 everywhere. Got the Mamba Rage, the extra budget version of the Kobe's. 60 bucks. Extra budget plus 20% off, I guess. Not bad. Yeah, these are the cheapest I've seen these shoes. The Air Force Max, cheapest I've seen them. Second colorway. They have a few different colorways as well, actually, but yeah, they got 2 different colorways, 20% off. Those of you who want information regarding the budget basketball shoes, the Air Precision, 45. 50 bucks for, what are these, the VC Pro 6? Apparently it takes me like forever to get the Roman numerals, apparently. Some more budget shoes, budget basketballs, the Air Versatile 3s. Oh, okay, so this is a super budget option. These going for $32 after that discount, not bad. Yeah, they really don't have much on the heat wall. Should have known, not much. Yeah, the past 2 weeks, man, there hasn't been much. There hasn't been much at the outlets. Dang, they're still trying to get to 150 for these, man. That seems super high. Especially because I've never seen anybody wear this or get hyped about it. So I'm surprised it's still 150. Nobody's been getting these, man. Right? This is the one with the React on the bottom, Proto Reacts. Nobody's been getting these. So wait, it's coming right up. Yeah, I mentioned this a few times, man. I've seen this going for 50 bucks. And I checked the resale, there was no resale because nobody likes these. That's crazy. One more colorway of the Jordan Proto that nobody wants. And we got a couple of 312s too. Couple of 312s. 100 bucks, you guys, the Saturns, man. These are crazy. They're crazy. Casual, mostly casual shoes. It's crazy though. Those of you looking for some Jordan 1 lookalikes, Jordan 1 low lookalikes, man. These are it. Called the Nike Lebron. Yeah, 45 bucks plus get that 20% off too. It is all. Yeah, there's no way that's leather. It doesn't feel synthetic leather, I guess. Synthetic leather with patent leather and the black cement. Yeah, that's cheap, you guys. Under 40 bucks. Trying to find stuff on sale for you guys. It's just the Nike Tech Trainer. I saw one of these on clearance earlier. It's neoprene materials, like the material that the wetsuits are made out of. So it looks like it's one of their shield shoes. So it can get wet. But these are not suede. Interesting. But this is indoors though, because this is for cross training and weightlifting. So that doesn't make sense. I don't know. Revolution 3s, just simple shoe, 40 bucks. They have a bunch of the 20% off tags everywhere. Look, start with this. Air Max 2017, not bad. These are awesome. I was bitching about the price on these because I love the color, I love the look. The Air Max Vapor Max Plus look, that is sick. Under 100, I think that gets it to. Oh no, that gets it to right a little bit over 100. Still not bad. There's got the Air Sequence, some budget shoes. Air Max Zero Essentials, more budget shoes. Torch 3s, they even got the Torch 4s, but these are kind of whatever looking. The Elements, This is the cheapest I think I've ever seen them. 69 plus 40% off. Was that $14 off? So is that 55 bucks? $56? Not bad. Now this is the new cheapest price I've ever seen it. 65 bucks. 65 bucks. Another what? $13 off on top of that. Not bad. Apparently that's a little bit more popular because it's a little more expensive. 270 is also on sale. Last one. These going for 120. It's the cheapest I've seen these, I think, for this colorway. Brings it down to under 100. This brings it under way under 100 now. So 90 something. 90 bucks, something like that. All right, at least it's 20% off. Here we got two more 720s. The triple black, 135. Last 720s on sale. Last ones. Psych, we got one more. Triple, the all whites. Kind of cool. And, oh, so I wonder if this would be able to keep these cleaner. It's like a nylon material, synthetic material. Not bad. Steadily been coming down. These were always 129. I've been seeing these at a few outlets. Yeah, close to 100 now. Not bad. So got that 20% off. Check out the women's section, you guys. Snakeskin whites. Oh, my bad. Snakeskin ones. Snakeskin ones. I think I've seen these. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. I've seen these. Normally 170. This is one of the premium ones. Oh, shit. Oh. That's one of the premium ones. Yeah, go for 100. Not bad. We've seen these at a few places now. Oh, these go for 119. Oh, okay, that is the same as the last place we saw them. But yeah, they had the full box though. But still, you get that 20% off. But still, you get that 20% off. Not bad. Just saw these at another location. 45. 45, get another 20% off. I do like these. This looks super awesome. They look super awesome. You also get the little metal cross thing in the front. That's pretty sick. Yeah. Thank you, Virginia. 65. That's a steal. Steal, you guys. Super comfortable shoe. Super comfortable running shoe. Got some Vapor Max. Oh, okay, dang. These are the Flyknit 3s, and they're still on sale. 130. Yeah, that's what's up. 130. Look at that. Not bad. 130, you get that 20% off. Close to 100. Close to 100. Oh, dang. The last one. Look at this. Dang. $30 plus 20% off, man. You get these for super cheap. Dang. So 20% off on top of that. That's like $24? 24 bucks. Dang, not bad. They call these the Forrest Gumps, I believe. Not bad. Blazer lows, 30 bucks. Selection in the women's is kind of limited. Yeah, these 720s, not bad. 90 bucks, under 100. These are under 100 as well. Not bad. Oh, dang, this color is nice. This color is real nice. Dang, 130, not bad. Not bad. All right, I still got to hit up a few more shops and I need to be home in 2 hours, so gonna have to call it a day on that one, you guys. All right, so that was kind of disappointing, you guys. Like, there really wasn't much. I don't know, the last couple times I've been here, it's been, I don't know, it's been terrible because I haven't really copped anything here. But the first like 3 times I came here, man, I copped something every time because they have such great deals. So I don't know. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna hit up a couple outlets, a couple other stores. They're gonna be in separate videos. Make sure you go ahead, press that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Were there any good deals that I missed out on? I didn't really see anything. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys. Let me know your thoughts.